Good morning everyone, I'm Luca Ciaffoni from ITCares and today we are at the Mercury Hotel in Rome for the General Assembly of the European Blind Union. And I'm going to tell you in this video how we made this structure accessible to blind and low vision people by using an application for mobile devices. This app was made by using the PharoSuite system. So far we used this system to create accessible and advanced audio guide system. These apps are very intuitive and immediate in their use, and they have smart features who, for instance, the image recognition. You can frame an artwork and the system will recognize the opera. And also they have the headphones control that the user can use to quickly find information around them by keeping their phone in their pocket. Those who already have had the chance to try our application know that they use iBeacon Bluetooth technology to locate the user and give them information, contextual information about their position. In this case, we installed about 50 of these beacons on the hotels in significant points such as corridor, lift, lobbies, reception, restaurants, bar, etc. When the user enters an area covered by a beacon, at the bottom right of the screen a notification appears indicating the presence of a point of interest nearby. The user can thus quickly see the details. Besides all this, for this occasion we added the recognition of the NFC tags and the reading of the QR code. These, positioned on the doors of the room, bathrooms and on the tables in the assembly room, allowed the visitor to move independently within the structure. As we said at the beginning, in addition to logistic information, the app contains details of the event, such as presentation, schedule, and meal menus, and also information and contacts about the exhibitor. Well, this is a special situation since this is an event for specifically for blind and partially sighted people, and the hotel has been equipped with all the aids available, such as braille writing, such as enlarged writing on the doors, tactile pavements. These are certainly the most immediate aids. However, they might not be available and their installation can have costs that cannot be afforded by the structure. Our app, thanks to its flexibility, wants to be a more scalable and immediate solution. We would like to thank the Italian Union of the Blind for giving us this opportunity to try our system in a similar context. Although our system isn't specifically made for this kind of applications, we hope that it can be used in such cases, in similar cases. Okay, thanks for watching and see you soon.